Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox and review Soundpeats Air 4 Pro. Before I do the unboxing and review, I want to make it clear that I have never used Soundpeats earbuds before, and this is my first Soundpeats earbuds that I'm going to try, and I will share my honest opinion with you guys, and let's see what's inside the box. So the first thing to notice is that the packaging is very tight here, and it will not provide you a smooth unboxing experience. And here you get a card and a copy as well, and it will be really useful. And then you get Soundpeats Air 4 Pro. And so that's it. That's what you get in the box. And this is our Soundpeats Air 4 Pro. So my first impressions are that they are very lightweight and are very small in size as well, and they are very compact. I really like it. They have a glossy finish. You can see black color is also available for Soundpeats Air 4 Pro, but I don't like black color, and that's why I have ordered it in white. And that's it. I will come back with a review video and I will share my honest opinion. Friends, welcome to my review section, and I hope you are all fine. I have used them for 2 days, and now I will share my using experience with you guys. I have enjoyed them a lot, and they turned out to be better than I expected. And what I like the most is its easiness and comfort to use. They are very small sized and compact. Look how easily I can hold it, and they are super comfortable. It easily fits in my other case as well, which I really like it. You can see like this. So that's absolutely amazing. So now let's start our review with its fit and comfort level. First of all, it fits very easily in my ears, and I had no problem wearing them. Secondly, no matter how much you shake, they don't fall ever, and that's really good. Regarding comfort level, they are just fine. Not super comfortable, but they are good. I have used it for 10 hours straight and didn't feel uncomfortable at all. So I think they are best in fit and comfort. Now let's talk about its sound quality, and honestly speaking, I enjoyed them a lot, and I don't have even words to explain. And if I had to describe its sound quality in one sentence or in simple words, it would be bass boosted and born for music. Speakers in your ears. I've heard this kind of sound in my headphones before, but didn't knew that an earbud can also provide this kind of sound, and that's absolutely insane. You'll get a fine smooth woofer type bass, and you'll definitely enjoy it. As far as its vocals are concerned, the vocals are very thick, and the reason for this is because it has so much bass and they are born for music as per my opinion. So definitely you won't find thin and crispy transparent vocals, and I will also explain this in simple and more easy language. If you are watching a video on YouTube of someone who has recorded its video from a smartphone's microphone, but when you hear it in these earbuds, it will feel like that if it is being recorded in a studio pod mic. So I hope I'll able to make you understand my point. I think by now you guys must have understood what kind of sound this earbud produces. And lastly, its treble. It is of course very low, which is absolutely fine because they aren't made for every genre. So I have discussed its sound quality now, and let's move on to our next chapter, the ANC mode. And my goodness, the ANC mode is so awesome. So let me also explain this to you in simple words. So there are two different modes in Soundpeats Air 4 Pro. One is normal mode, number 2 is pass through mode, and number 3 is ANC mode. So for those who don't know much about ANC, let me explain it shortly. In ANC mode, you hear very little outside noise when you are using earbuds or any kind of audio device. Well, now let me explain all three modes of Soundpeats Air 4 Pro to you. When you are in normal mode, you hear 80% of the outside noise, and in pass-through mode you hear the complete 100% of the outside noise. But when you turn on the active noise cancellation mode, I mean ANC mode, you will hear only 20% of the outside noise, which is insane. It reduces 80% of the outside noise as per my experience or my thinking. And actually I don't think that it can get better than that, and the reason is that naturally our ears are so powerful and eventually they will hear the outside noise no matter what. So I have talked about its sound quality and ANC mode, and now I will give you its rating, and I give both its sound quality and ANC mode 10 out of 10 rating. They are incredible. And I forgot to tell you that I actually don't like touch controls in earbuds, but the touch controls of Soundpeats Air 4 Pro are awesome. And I hope I didn't miss anything. Let's complete our video. Oh, I forgot to give you the microphone test. Let's do the microphone test. Friends, this is the microphone of Soundpeats Air 4 Pro. So let me know in the comments, is it fine enough for a $80 earbud? To me, this is an ordinary mic and it needs a lot of improvement. If the mic is good in an earbud, it's appreciable, but it's not really a much needed thing in my opinion. Unless you use it regularly and make a lot of calls, then it might be important for you, but not for me because I only use earbuds for entertainment purposes. So guys, you have heard the sound of its microphone, and it's not impressive, it's just fine. So now I will end my video here, and I really do hope that I have said enough words to describe the Soundpeats Air 4 Pro. And here's my recommendation. I really like the earbuds, as I said before that they are absolutely worth it and they have exceeded my expectations. So I will definitely recommend you guys. They have a fine battery timing as well. I pretty much like it, and their original price is $80 and they are absolutely price justified. I have heard from some other reviewers as well that they are the best Soundpeats earbuds so far. So what do you need more? I have provided you all the links from which you can order them. Thank you for watching my video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe now and must press the bell icon because many more good videos are coming soon. Goodbye and have a great life.